I don't know why I keep doing that. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you a few of the items that all FabFitFun members can choose for their Spring 2021 box, so let's get started. First up, we have the MAC Cosmetics Powder Kiss Lipstick Duo! So we have two weightless moisture matte lipsticks. The first one is Work Work Work, which is what I'm wearing, and then the other one is Reverence, which is also super cute. So these are moisture coated power pigments, so it'll keep your lips really hydrated. I put it on this morning and it's still there. Look at it. We have the Work Work Work, which is a more red and nighttime look, really spicy, you know? Reverence, which is a blush pink, perfect for daytime when you want to go grocery shopping or just go on a little picnic. Even though we're spending a lot of time indoors, it doesn't hurt to just, give yourself that little pump. So you could start with a little bit of Reverence during the day, and once nighttime hits, you put on that Work 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 and you get to work, girl. I don't know. I just blacked out. Wanna do like a... Next up, we have the $1 Billion Brows 6-piece Pro Brush Essentials Kit. So this is super easy to use because whether you're a pro or a beginner, all the brushes have what they're meant to be used for on the brush. So for example, this one is the powder brush, so you can use it for blush, powder. The contour brush, which is great for chiseling your face if you like to use contour or if you like to use bronzer. The foundation brush, which is great for creating that perfect base for your makeup. This little highlighter brush, which is great for those shimmers and those highlights. Then we have the eyeshadow brush, which is great for evenly applied on eyeshadow. And then the eyebrow brush is for more precision on your brows. And all the brushes are made of synthetic bristles, so it's not going to be absorbing a lot of your product. Probably be using this highlighter brush a lot, just like up here, on my nose, my lip. Just, might as well put sparkles all over my face. Next up, we have the Josie Maran 100% pure argan oil. So argan oil is skin smoothing and it's just a great superfood for all skin types. What's really great about this product is that you can use it in multiple ways. You can use it on your skin, your hair, your nails. So for your face, what you're gonna wanna do is just put 2 little drops, warm it up in your hands, and put it on your face, and it'll be great for that hydration. For your hair, you can use it to treat split ends and those flyaways. I love using this for my curls whenever there's just like some extra frizziness. I said that weird. And for your nails, you can apply this to your cuticles just to condition them. It doesn't smell like much, which is nice. I love that. I don't want to mix a bunch of smells when I have it in my hair, my nails, and my all over. Love me some oil. So I love that it's just scentless. Is that the word? Yes. I would definitely say it absorbed into my skin quickly. It doesn't feel very sticky, which I love. I'm a fan. Next up, we have the Splendid Faux Fur Slippers in Crystal Pink. I love these so much. I've been wearing ever since I got them, and they are comfy. My feet are always cold, so this is just amazing. So they come in 2 sizes, small/medium, which is for sizes 5 to 7.5, and then medium to large, which is sizes 8 to 11. The faux fur open toe design is perfect for transitioning from winter to spring, because you gotta keep those little toes not too warm, just the right amount of warmth. I feel so luxurious walking around my house with these. I just feel extra classy. I just feel like I run this house. So guess what, Alex? I'm the boss. Alex is my husband. I'm the boss. He's not. Boss mode. What's up? When I wear these, I'm the boss.
Yes, you are.
Yes, sir. Next up, we have the Gaiam Ultimate Core Toning Kit.
Getting toned.
So this is a versatile kit that is going to help you improve your core, build strength, and improve flexibility. So perfect for this time of social distancing, for that perfect at-home workout. So to use it, you're gonna wanna inflate the ab ball, which is super easy. I will show you how. On the insert card, there is a link where you can download virtual workout guides. It comes with this little straw, so you're gonna put that in the little hole. Here we go. Done. I'm I'm personally a huge fan of a good at-home workout, and this will help you get such a good workout. They're definitely challenging, but it's a good kind of challenge where you wake up the next day and you feel sore, but you're like, oh, yes, I'm toned. I am fit. I want you to be honest with me and comment down below if you've been keeping up with your at-home workouts. I know I have weeks where I work out once a week and I'm so proud of myself and that's about it. There's others where it doesn't happen and it's okay, so be honest with me. Next up, we have the Steel Mill & Co. To-Do Planning Bundle. So this comes with a planner that is 184 pages, 2 highlighters, and 5 sticker pages. You can list your to-dos, your appointments. You can even say how many glasses of water you've had a day and write what you're grateful for. This is just gonna keep you on top of it. I don't know what it is, but you're on top. Then we have the little sticker pages. 2 of them are just cute little flowers just to make everything nice and pretty. And then the other ones have cute things like girls' night, to-do, doctor appointment. I really like that the highlighters have a color on each side. So you actually have 4 colors in 2. That's what's up. Next up, we have the Our Place layered lunchbox with clips and utensils. This is actually leak-proof, eco-friendly, and BPA-free. So it comes with a spoon, a fork, that's not a fork, that's a knife, and chopsticks. I also love that it comes with this little elastic band just to keep it in place, locked in. So it is microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and freezer friendly, but we do recommend that you hand wash the elastic band. So I've been really into Thai food lately, so I would love to put some like pad see ew in here, spring rolls on the second layer because this is layered. So because it is layered, you don't have to get up and go get extra things. You have your utensils here. Quality is great. It's nice and sturdy. You just have everything in one place, making life easy. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a FabFitFun member yet, make sure you sign up at FabFitFun.com to take your pick. And Shamira would look so good in these lipsticks. So here you go, girl.
Thanks for this year. I can't wait to try them.
Keep an eye out for Shamira's video to see some of the other box items, and we'll see you next season. Bye!